Welcome to Otis. Otis is transforming the way people relate to money and investing. Otis creates a dynamic virtual reality experience of our financial lives. It begins with Money Friend. Your Money Friend will be an expression of your financial reality and a narrative of your design. My Money Friend might appear as a martial arts narrative. I might create a portfolio of champions, starting by identifying the characteristics of a martial arts champion as my money friend. One of the greatest champions in the stock market is Apple Computer. So what we would do is associate this figure, the figure of a highly successful martial artist, with the historical track record and attributes of Apple Computer. My name is Bob Gay. I'm the creator of Otis. Otis is a learning algorithm that creates data by mining line items from financial statements found in filings made by U.S. companies with the Securities and Exchange Commission every 13 weeks. Every quarter since 1934, the SEC has required companies to file financial statements to provide investors with information about how the company is doing. Embedded within the filing are three principal financial statements. The balance sheet, which is a measure of the current company's assets and liabilities and how they relate to each other. The income statement, which is a measure of company's income and expenses over the period. And the cash flow statement, which is a measure of how much cash has come into the company and how the company has dispersed that. Otis reads every line item and extracts the data values associated with those line items all the way back every quarter since the beginning of the appearance of SEC filings on the internet in 1994. And then Otis creates a narrative in the standard industry lexicon describing the profitability and behavioral characteristics of Apple Computer now and relating them in a descriptive narrative to how the company has performed in the past. It also draws a two-dimensional line chart identifying how the attributes of the performance record of Apple Computer have been related to the performance characteristics of the stock. Apple Computer definitely described as a champion over its 20-year record. This is the relative performance of the share price compared to the average company. So in the martial arts narrative, it would represent the performance track record of the martial artist, and my martial artist has outperformed the average by over 100 times over the last 20 years. And of course, it's had attributes that have contributed significantly to that superior record. Superior attributes such as better sales growth, improving gross profit margins, falling operating costs, and attributes that in the investing industry lexicon tend to lend themselves to superior performing companies and stocks. Many narratives lend themselves to the expression of your financial reality. It might be a farm or garden narrative. It might be another fantasy sports narrative, or it might be a Sims experience. I invite you to register to play at otiswealthsystem.com. There are several opportunities to participate, including a free membership. Assemble your financial reality now, and in a few months you will see it transform. Create your money friend and the virtual world that they will exist in.